Today we will learn how to apply for leave. First of all, you have to log in as an employer. As an employer, you will select the employee role. Then you will go to Employee Services. Click on Leave. And after clicking on Leave, you will first see the Leave Apply button. But if somehow the Leave Apply button is not visible, then you will have to update your reporting and reviewing officer. If this is updated and verified by Nodal, then the Leave Apply button will be enabled. For now, let's click on Leave Apply. We clicked on Apply. We have about 18 types of leave options. And now we apply a leave. Suppose I select earned leave. You can do multiple days or single days. I take single days. And in single days, if you are leaving your station, then you can do yes. If you want to take LTC, then you can do yes. In our case, we do not need it. We can put any remark. For personal reasons. And if the attachment is applicable, then you can add the attachment. Then click on Add. After clicking on Add, if you want to submit more leaves, then click on Add More. You can combine more leaves. But in the case of now, we will apply only one leave. And final submit from here. We will click Submit to finally submit the leave application. Now our leave has been successfully applied. And our leave number has been generated. This is the application number of the leave. And this is our leave applied. We can click on the view details of this leave. We can see the details. We can extend this leave. Click on the Extend button, if needed. We can cancel this leave. For now, we will approve this leave. As a reporting officer, to approve the leave as the reporting officer, we have to log in. Select the role of reporting officer. Click on the pending request. As soon as we click on the pending request, all the leaves requests we have as a reporting option will be visible. You can see the details of this leave. We can approve or reject this leave. We can forward this leave for reviewing. For now, we will approve this leave without rejecting it. And in this way, the reporting option can approve the leave. Similarly, we will select the reviewing option role from here. And the same layout will open. After this, they will be able to approve the leave. As a nodal officer, if we want to track the leave, we will change the role first. Select Nodal as a role. After selecting Nodal, we will go to Reports. Click on Reports. Then in Module Reports, click the Leave List. Here we will be able to see all the leaves. And we will be able to take action on that leave. The leave whose status is pending with a nodal officer. Suppose this is pending at the nodal. We will click on it. We will be able to approve and reject it. But the leave which is already pending somewhere else, like at the reporting level, we will only be able to track that leave. We will be able to see what is the status of that leave. If we want to extend a leave, for that we will have to select as an employee role. After selecting the employee role, in Employee Services, we will have to click on Leave. Then we will have to click on Leave Statement. And we will have to find that leave, which we want to extend. Suppose we want to extend this earned leave. To extend this leave, we will go to Leave and click on Action. Then we will click on Extend Leave. Then we will select multiple days. Suppose we want to extend a leave for a day. Then we will select this leave for a day and add it. Now it is a 2-day leave. And then we will finally submit. it is submitted. After the final submission, the leave request will go to the reporting officer. As the reporting officer approves the leave will be approved. Now let's see the joining of the leave. If we want to give the joining of the leave, we will first come to the employee role. After selecting the employee role, we will click on the leave link in the employee services. As soon as we click on the leave link, whatever leave we have, on which joining is required, it will come here by listing the number of that leave. We will click on that leave, and we will give joining report against that leave. Now we are giving joining report on this leave. We will click on the joining report by going to action. This is the calculated date, which is according to the system. But if you want to join before this, then you will select the date before this. So this is the case of early joining, in which a request will go to the reporting, and the reporting will approve, then it will be approved. Or, in case if we give joining after the calculated date, then this will be the case of extension. And we have to extend the leave, then it should also be approved, then we will be able to join. But in our case, the system calculated date is 11, so we will give the joining of 11 and submit. And this is our joining, has been updated. You can see here, this joining has been updated. So in this way, we will be able to give joining of a leave.